Did you know there's a city in Morocco where nearly every building, doorway, and alley is painted blue, and no one knows exactly why? Welcome to Chefchaouen, a mysterious mountain town where legend, tradition, and beauty collide in a sea of blue. A place that looks as though it was brushed into existence by the sky itself. Tucked high in Morocco's Rif Mountains, affectionately Chefchaouen known as the Blue Pearl. Here, the ordinary fades, and every corner beckons with beauty and mystery. Get ready to wander through winding, where each step reveals a new story, and a new shade of wonder. Stepping into Chefchaouen feels like crossing into another realm, a city draped entirely in shades of blue. The origins of this mesmerizing tradition are still debated. Some say the color keeps mosquitoes away, others believe it represents the sky or heaven itself. Whatever the reason, the effect is nothing short of enchanting. Each stairway, doorway, and wall becomes part of a living canvas, creating a visual harmony that photographers and artists dream of. Light bounces off painted surfaces in dazzling ways, transforming even the simplest walk into a cinematic experience. While a few of the most iconic spots are lovingly maintained by locals who may appreciate a small tip in exchange for photos, most of Chefchaouen's magic is open and free for all to admire. But Chefchaouen's magic extends far beyond its iconic blue walls. Step into its vibrant souks, and you'll find a kaleidoscope of culture, craftsmanship, and local life. Or tucked within the winding alleys are intimate art galleries, where local painters bring the city's spirit to life. And as you wander deeper, the city begins to reveal its quieter charms, hidden courtyards, slender passageways barely wide enough to pass, and graceful Moorish archways that whisper of centuries past. For the ultimate view, climb to a rooftop terrace. From here, the city unfolds like a dream, blue rooftops cascading down the hillside, framed by the rugged Rif Mountains. As the call to prayer floats through the air, you'll feel an overwhelming sense of stillness and reverence. Enjoying this moment with a glass of freshly squeezed Moroccan orange juice, famed for its intense sweetness, only adds to the magic. It's a simple pleasure that perfectly complements the serenity of the scene. As the sun climbs, the city comes to life. Look for locals wearing traditional straw hats decorated with colorful pom-poms, a playful flourish that mirrors the city's joyful spirit. Our journey concludes at the edge of the Medina, where the mountains tower above and nature reclaims the horizon. But before we part, don't miss one last gem, a quiet street near Dar Yakout, often framed in vibrant bougainvillea. It's a final splash of color against the calming blue, and a perfect farewell to a city that's equal parts beauty, soul, and serenity. Chefchaouen isn't just a destination, it's a feeling. A place that lingers in your senses, lives in your photos, and stays in your soul long after you've left. If your journey ever brings you to Morocco, don't miss this azure jewel nestled in the mountains, because you don't just visit Chefchaouen, you experience it. And if this magical city has stirred your wanderlust, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more unforgettable journeys around the world. Your next adventure is just a click away.